Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, a long overdue, guys, this one is long overdue. We are going to do a shop with me Target, my favorite store of all time. You guys thought it was CB2? It's Target. So Target has a new collaboration, and not only that, they have some summertime home decor items that have released or are about to release. I might need to release this video sooner so you guys can get your hands on these items. Target has collaborated with Hilton, and he is a plant enthusiast and interior stylist. So they have some items at Target that I was not expecting to see. So if you guys want to see what's going on in Target and you want to see what's new, what's popping, then keep watching. Okay, we're back. So I do have a haul for you guys. This is a good one too, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of everything. And like I said in my previous video, I'm hoping that maybe I can have some people over and entertain a bit. So I'm collecting items and getting items ready for something like that. So let's get started. So first, I want to talk about these glasses that I picked up from Target. Now these are almost identical to some glasses that I picked up from Home Goods. Now I would blame this on the kids, you guys, and say that they broke them all, but I would be lying to you. I am kind of clumsy, so I did break a couple as well. So I needed new glasses, and I really like this design. It's just simple. I love how it has like this like crinkle effect, which kind of gives you a little bit of grip to hold the glass. So I just really love that. These were super inexpensive. They came with 6 of the taller ones and then 6 of the shorter ones. Not only that, you guys, they sell these at Crate and Barrel. But at Target, you're gonna save more money. So if you're interested in this design, definitely check out Target. This set was $20, super affordable, super good. So, you know, if a kid or myself breaks a glass, I'm not gonna freak out about it because it's super affordable. And I just need to be a little bit more careful too. Next item I got is from Hearth and Hand, and it's this wood dish brush. I actually needed another one of these. I had one from Marshall's and it just got kind of gross and icky. I keep it in this dish right here that I got from Target as well a little while ago. It's for dips, but I use it to house my little brush just like that. I keep it on the counter, keep everything kind of neat and tidy. I love these when you have nails or you don't really want to ruin your nails. You gotta scrub the pot or plate. That's my go-to. I also picked up some sponges. I like using these because it just looks better in the sink or around the sink than those like bright blue ones. Listen, I use the bright blue ones sometimes too, but if I can't get my hands on these, I like using these. It just looks better to me. Okay, so there's an item that I didn't get, and I think I'm gonna go back right now to pick it up. And it's I'm looking at my computer screen, it's the woven rectangular serve tray with handles by Hearth and Hand. Now this item comes out May 28th and it's gorgeous. It's the rectangular one, but they also have a circular one as well. And it's just gorgeous. I really just pictured having this outside, having some wine glasses on it, cocktail glasses. I originally didn't get it because I'm like, am I gonna use this inside the house or is this gonna be an outdoor thing? Then I saw the price, I'm like, girl, if you don't get that and just enjoy it. All right, so that is the haul. That is the shop with me. If you guys enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. That lets me know you guys still like these kind of videos. I also take video requests. So if you guys have any requested videos, please leave them down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.